So today I'm doing this first recording here and I have these two little, you can see them? These my two little rabbits with me on the, I intend to keep them with me on my, like basically this is where I do all my work and everything, and they will be right there here instead of putting them in a cage. So those are my rabbits and they are sleeping cozily, so I don't want to wake them up and put them on my lap and all of that. So there's this movie that is released on Amazon Prime that stars Aditi Rao Hedari, and it's called Sufayam Sujatayam. It is basically it's a Malayalam film, and it touches on this very freaky aspect of extramarital. It's about this mute lady who has this real soft corner for this Sufi fakir, except that yeah, it's like she's a married woman, so you know, I don't know. This movie is made with the whole that I mean, in small towns, once someone is married, in fact, even in big cities, once a man is married, or woman is married, in particular, woman, she's not supposed to have any friends of the opposite gender. So it's a the movie opens with literally like a funeral scene and all of that. I mean, in the first 10 minutes, the Sufi fakir we are shown that it's his funeral, and so it's the kind of film that it'll really give you an insight into how uh, you know life in a small town is in Kerala. So you all should try and catch it, people. It's called Sufiyam Sujatayam, and so that's what very the flavor is. You know, the first 5 minutes of the film has the uh, the morning prayer that you have in Islam, right? So it's it's a very different film. So try and catch it, people. It's on Amazon Prime, and if you could take a look around, that's how it looks outside my window. So really, people, try and catch it on Amazon Prime. And Aditi Rao Haidari is like a doll in the film. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.